Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save Word file in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that save Word file. Then show the Word file. Now going to the save Word file. Now going to the file menu option. Now click on the save as option. Then click on the desktop option. Then save any file the select. Now click on the open. Then click on the save option. That's it. Then I show save Word file in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.